So here's the walk step by step of the song. This is how we worship. So the beginning is gonna be chorus. I mean, it's gonna be verse, and only hula is dancing. Sign come in on the chorus, and the chorus goes, arms lifted high. So arms lifted high is right hand first, just coming out from your side, arms, and then the other side lifted, then push up high. And then remember to look up. You're looking at God. So we're worshiping Him. So arms lifted high. Then from there it's we're on our knees. And so we're just gonna go into a bow. Left leg back into a bow. Hands holding out and bowing. And then you can always, if you want to, you can bring your hands always all the way down, signifying you're totally surrendering to Him. So you can either hold it up here or go all the way down, up to you. It's your worship unto Him. And then right after that, we go to this. So all it is just palm open, and you're just gonna this right here, this. So this, then how we worship is all it is fist with your right hand, left hand covering. Then you go 1, 2, and then up. Okay, and then you're gonna hold for a little bit, and you're gonna open as hula open. So you're gonna kind of time it slowly. Okay, so that part again. Arms lifted high. We're on our knees. This is how we worship. Open. Second part of the chorus goes heart surrender. Then it's heart. You're just gonna draw heart by your heart. So your fingers, heart, or you can make it like this, up to you, and draw heart, either or. Heart. The surrender, all you're gonna do is just from your shoulders, you're like, I give up, I let it go. So heart, surrender to, so left hand, right hand, point to the one we love. Then to the one we love. Then Jesus, we will worship. Okay, and then open slowly, timing with hula. Okay, so that part again. So arms lifted high. We're on our knees. This is how we worship. Open. Get ready for heart. Hearts surrender to the one we love. Sorry, I forgot we love. So you can go open hand or closed hand, the one we love. So to the one we love. Then Jesus, we will worship. Okay. And then so it goes back to the verses, and then it repeats the chorus. Then the ending, this is the bridge to the ending, and it's we stand in awe. So it's shaka, make your shakas, and you're just gonna go we stand. This means now, right now. So we stand in awe. So just kind of like by your eyes, like, wow, amazing. Okay? We stand in awe. And then from here, you're going to kind of take your time. On the one true God, you're going to sign Jesus. On the one true God. Surrender all, and then one hand, to you. Okay, bridge again. We stand in awe of the one true God. We surrender all to you. And then from here it goes into a Hawaiian part. Sorry, give me a minute. Let me get my words.